In this video, we will see how we can take an order. For taking the orders, we have to go to the order screen. So click on the orders. And here we see on the order screen, we have different sections. Each sections have its own table. So let's say we are going to create a table on the table number 11. Click on the table number 11, and then we can choose how many guests are there on the table number 11. So we can enter like we have two guests. Now, once we enter, we see here on the left side, it is showing the time when we have opened the table. Then it is showing the order number, the person who is opening the table, or the person who is the cashier or the waiter. Then we have the order type. If we click here, we can choose the order type. Maybe it's a dine-in or takeaway or any different orders. We can choose it from here. Then we have the table details and the number of guests. At the bottom, we have the section for the discounts. And here in this section, it will be showing the total amount. So let's take an example of an order. So let's go with the group. Inside the group, we have the subgroup, and here we have the items. So we click on any items and we see that the item have been added. To increase the quantity, just simply click on the item name. And on the left, the quantities have been increased. Or we can use this plus or minus icon to remove the quantity by one or to add the quantity by one. Or we can use this numbers to enter the total quantity. So let's say we have the total 5 quantity. If we click now, we see that the quantity have been changed from 3 to 5. To go one step back, we can click on this back arrow, or to go on the main screen, we can click on this home icon. Now, if you want to add some more items, we can take it. If there is any comments, we simply select the item and we can add the comments by clicking on here. Click on OK. Now the comment have been added. If you want to send the order to the kitchen or the bar, just click on the print icon. Now this KOT have been printed in the kitchen and the bar as per the items. The color of the table have been changed to black. Black means that the order have been printed. If you want to add any new items in this, just open the table. Now, let's say you want to add one beverage. Just come here. We can select the beverage and we can click on print. So the new KOT will be printed in the kitchen with this new item. Once the customer have finished and they are asking for the guest bill, come to the table and then we can click on the guest bill. So the guest bill have been printed and the color of this table have become red. To settle this check, we just open the table. Now we are on the payment page. We can choose if the amount have been paid by the cash or by the card. So if we click on the bank card, different kind of different bank cards payment type will be available. If the customer have paid it by the cash, we can select the cash. And either if the customer have paid the exact amount, so we can click on the exact amount. Or in case if the customer have paid a different amount, so we can enter the amount here. If we click on pay, now it is asking us this 84 dirham, are you returning as a change or it will be a tips? So let's say it's change. So we click on change. Now we see the table have been closed.